The wedding preparations are going well, dear.
I'm so excited, Mother.
Everything will be perfect.
Time to wash the dishes. Scrub, scrub, make them shiny. All clean now.
Time to head to the city for wedding shopping. Got the wallet, now to the stores. This is our finest gold bridal necklace. It's beautiful. I'll take it. A wonderful choice. This gold set will be perfect for your wedding, my dear. The necklace especially will complement your gown. This toaster would be perfect for her new home. And a blender for smoothies. She'll love these.
Daddy, I'm coming.
I'm right here, sweetie.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Look, a toy car.
Great job, sweetie.
What did you get, son? A book. Thanks. I love it.
Heavenly Father, bless and protect my family.
This haldi needs to be perfect for the wedding. Yes, it must be smooth and bright. Almost there!